Hey guys, our next activity we're going to go over is the one that you guys worked on yesterday where you had the topic, the main idea, and the details. So what you were supposed to do is you were supposed to determine where the topic where you would drag and drop where the topic would go here, 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 and then you would fill in the blanks here. Okay? So, how do I find the main topic of a text? You look for words or phrases that are blank. So we're going to go over here and what have we talked about? We're going to look for words or phrases that have been what? That are repeated. So we're going to type in the word repeated. All right? The topic should be a word or short phrase. So we know that we're going to drag this is our topic. Okay? They're talking about the topic here. Now, how do I find the main idea of a text? You're going to ask, what is the blank text about? The main idea should be a blank. Over here, let's look. We know that the main idea should be what is the whole passage, okay? What is the whole text about? So we're going to type that in, whole. That's the word that goes there. And then the main idea should be a sentence, okay? Now, the difference between the main topic and a main idea is the main idea is going to be an entire sentence. All right, so we'll move the main idea over here. The topic is just going to be one word or a short phrase, not an entire sentence. So details. How do I find details that support the main idea? Well, now we know we're talking about details, so we're going to move that over here. Find the portion of the text where the author makes the blank. Let's see here. What is going to be the answer that we're going to put in here? Find the portion of the text where the author makes the point. All right? He's going to make a point. Ask what reasons or details does the author give to support the point? Okay, so that's what the details is about. The point is what the main idea of the passage is about. So this right here is how we're going to separate the difference between the main topic, the main idea, and then details that support those main idea. So on your next activity, you were to fill in the blank about this picture. Okay? So in one or two words, you're going to look at this picture and tell me what it's about. So we're going to do the topic. What do we think this topic is about? Well, to me, it looks like it's about a snowstorm. So I'm going to put snowstorm as my answer. And then it says, what is the whole puzzle about in one sentence? All right. Well, it looks like the entire picture, it's snowing, it's outside, and there's children. So the entire passage is about children playing outside in a snowstorm. And then you're going to have some details. How do we know that that's what this picture's about? Well, we see snow on the ground. We see snow falling from clouds. So snow falling from the clouds. And we see children are bundled up in their snow clothes. And let's see here. And look at the trees. The trees have snow on them. So trees are bare and have snow on them. Okay? And then So that's how we look at the entire picture and think about what it's all about. All right. So we talked about the topic, the main idea, and the details. And on the next one, I'm going to pause it here, and we're going to go over the Amish way of life together. Okay. Hopefully the internet will be up, and I will see you guys soon.